Today, I am reviewing the Dell P2725H 27-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a monitor that will change your life with high-end gaming specs or professional color grading, this is not it. But if you just need a reliable, comfortable, and well-built screen for your home office, the ANYHDD bundle featuring the Dell P2725H might be exactly what you need. I have been using this monitor for about 2 weeks now, and while it is not flashy, it gets the job done in a way that most budget displays simply fail to do. Let's start with the display quality itself. It is a standard 1080p resolution on a 27-inch panel. To be honest, at this size, you can see the pixel density isn't as tight as a 1440p monitor. If you're sitting very close to the screen, text might look a little less crisp than you're used to on a high-end display. However, for everyday office tasks, spreadsheets, and web browsing, it is perfectly adequate. The IPS panel is the real star here. The viewing angles are excellent, meaning the colors don't wash out when you shift in your chair or stand up to walk away from your desk. One thing that really impressed me during my time with this monitor is the 100 Hz refresh rate. Most office monitors are stuck at 60 Hz, and that jump to 100 makes a noticeable difference in how smooth the cursor feels when you are scrolling through long documents or dragging windows across the screen. It is a small quality of life improvement that I really appreciate. If you want to check the current price or see if this bundle is still available, you can find the links below the video. The physical build of the stand is another major win. Dell is known for their ergonomics, and this stand is rock solid. You can tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height with almost no effort. I found the height adjustment to be particularly smooth, which is great if you switch between sitting and standing or just want to get your eye level perfect. The ultra-thin bezels also make it look very modern and clean on a desk, which is a big plus if you care about your setup's aesthetics. Now, we need to talk about the downsides because no product is perfect. First, the brightness is rated at 250 nits. In a normal, well-lit office, it is perfectly fine. But if you have a desk right next to a bright window with direct sunlight, you might find yourself wishing it could get a bit brighter. Also, the 5-millisecond response time is fine for general use, but this is definitely not a competitive gaming monitor. If you are playing fast-paced shooters, you will notice ghosting. This is a work tool, not a gaming rig. The bundle comes with all the cables you need, which is a nice touch. You get the power cable, a USB 3.0 upstream cable, and both DisplayPort and HDMI cables, plus a cleaning cloth. It is a complete package. The built-in 4-port USB hub is also incredibly convenient. I used it to plug in my mouse and keyboard, which kept my desk looking much cleaner. Just keep in mind that since it is a USB hub, it won't charge your devices as fast as a dedicated wall charger, but for peripherals, it works flawlessly. Who is this monitor for? It is for the student, the remote worker, or anyone who spends 8 hours a day staring at text and browser tabs. If you want something that is easy on the eyes thanks to the ComfortView Plus technology, which does a great job of reducing blue light without making everything look yellow, this is a solid choice. It is a workhorse, not a show pony. Who should avoid this? If you are a graphic designer who needs perfect color accuracy, or a gamer who needs high-speed performance, look elsewhere. You'll be disappointed by the 1080p resolution on a 27-inch panel if you are used to higher pixel densities. Also, if you have a very bright room, you might want to look for something with a higher brightness rating. Overall, the value here is in the reliability and the ergonomics. It feels like a monitor that will last a long time, and the inclusion of all those cables in the bundle saves you that annoying extra trip to the store or wait for an online delivery. It is a straightforward, no-nonsense piece of hardware. If you are interested in grabbing one for your own workspace, you can find a link in the description below to see the latest pricing. It is a solid, practical monitor that does exactly what it claims to do without any unnecessary bells and whistles.